आंदोलन नहीं
And this will be effective from 1st of September.
We have not seen that for the past 6 years.
Basically, I have taken over last year. So prior what happened. But anyway, we are now trying to stabilize the entire system. We are trying to stabilize the entire system. तो इस प्रकार से हम लोग चाहेंगे कि आप सब लोगों का cooperation. I'll speak in both the languages, Hindi and English. Okay. तो ये मेरा पहला वर्ष है त्रिपुरा राज्य विद्युत विनियामक आयोग का, and it gives me a pleasure. But at the same time, when I'm announcing the tariff, we all are in a very bad situation right now. Particularly Tripura has also dipped into a COVID situation, and therefore I'm in a kind of a catch-22 situation whether I should go in for a tariff revision or not. The thing is that we have got detailed analysis from 2014, November 2014, the last tariff was published in the state. In every country, every state was publishing annual tariff, but we could not publish for last 6 years. Therefore, but it is a mandatory condition of as per Electricity Act, we have to do it per force, and at the same time, how to do it, that was again a big question coming up to all of us. We have, as you are aware, when the COVID started taking place in the month of March and April, Tripura was the first state to introduce a kind of a thing like no power will be disconnected of any consumer for next 3 months unless the situation becomes normal, in spite if he does not make the payment. That was welcomed all across the country, and most of the states have followed the same principle. Like none of these April, May, June, nowhere in the country, Tripura was the aggressive state to do that, and thereafter most of the country have followed us. Here, when I am going to the tariff petition, I am announcing with the pleasure that like we are not raising any tariff of any category for next year. The reasons are very clear. We are, on the contrary, we are reducing the tariff in certain categories, and for the prompt paymaster we are giving 5% rebate, and it is going to be first time experiment in anywhere in the country, where if somebody is making a payment within due date, which is 15 days, he will get a 5% straight reduction in their tariff except taxes and duties. So that you can say that we are reducing the tariff for 5% of the entire state for this year. First time we are again experimenting, because I am finding in 2014 to 2020 we are more or less virtually heading to 2021. In 6-7 years, nowhere in the country somebody has reduced the tariff to that extent. Somebody has increased to 2 years and then reduced, that's a separate thing. But here we are bringing it less than the 2014 margin by 5% if they are making a payment. Because ultimately you know that they have to run the business, and the tariff can only be addressed to the people who are making the payments. And 5% is a big amount. We'll experiment it. We'll see how the things can be. how the TSECL going to reduce the thing? We are asking them to reduce the line losses. Basically, there are three categories: 22%, 27%, and 30%. Something is coming. They are also upgrading the system. So we will see the results, how the results will come up, so that after, if the next annual petition, we will review again and how to do it. Basically, gas prices, I have just observed where gas prices have gone up by cost expenditure have gone by 30%. O&M expenditure has gone at 25%, 40%. The employee salaries from 2014 has gone up. Despite that, we are taking a very clear and firm stand that we are not going to reduce the tariff, and I am happy to announce this before you. Thank you. Tea, coffee and other rubber organizations which have made a representation, I have been very this thing like nothing doing, we'll have to reduce the tariff. For them also, if they make the payment, their tariff will be additionally discounted for 10%. So effectively, tea garden and other will be reduced by 15%. So that is another point. The third point, which we are going like green goes thing, we are taking all due measures where 10 rupees per bill will be given if they opt for a digitalization payment basis. Fourth, we are strengthening CGRF, whereas consumer redressal will be addressed even by the regulatory commission. We will set up the consumer redressal forum within 1 month's time, and all the consumers' grievances will also be taken up by the consumer within 1 month. That establishment will take process in next 1 month's time. Fourth, now coming back the losses. Basically, raising up the tariff is separating how to cope up the losses. We are asking TSECL to come out with a roadmap how to reduce. They have introduced, they have told us in the tariff around 1100 crore rupees cumulative revenue go for last 6 years, which we have only admitted to 247 crore. The detailed petition, which detailed order will be published by late evening in the website, and whosoever wants, they can ask a copy for me by electronic means, because of the detail, I don't want to get it published. We will supply on we will give on a electronic media basis. You can ask Sujata, she is my deputy director, she can give it. The fourth,
Tripura Electricity Regulatory Commission, Tripura ইলেকট্রিসিটি বিদ্যুৎ মাশুলের যে নির্দেশিকা প্রকাশিত হয়েছে, সাইন হয়েছে, সেটার সম্পর্কে বিস্তৃত আলোচনা করার জন্য আমাদের মধ্যে উপস্থিত আছেন ত্রিপুরা ইলেকট্রিসিটি রেগুলেটরি কমিশনের মাননীয় চেয়ারম্যান শ্রী বি রাধাকৃষ্ণা মহোদয়। আমাদের মধ্যে উপস্থিত আছেন ত্রিপুরা ইলেকট্রিসিটি রেগুলেটরি কমিশনের সম্মানীয় মেম্বার শ্রী জীবন কৃষ্ণ সেন মহোদয়। এখন এই বিদ্যুৎ মাশুল নির্দেশিকা সম্পর্কে কিছু আলোচনা, আজকের এই আলোচনা শুরু করছি। প্রথমেই সবাইকে ত্রিপুরা ইলেকট্রিসিটি রেগুলেটরি কমিশনের পক্ষ থেকে আন্তরিক অভিনন্দন জানাচ্ছি। আর আমরা যে একটা ভয়াবহ পরিস্থিতির মধ্য দিয়ে যাচ্ছি, কোভিড-19 এই পরিস্থিতির জন্য যে সারা বিশ্বে তথা আমাদের রাজ্যে যে অবস্থার সৃষ্টি হয়েছে, তার জন্য আমরা সবাই খুবই ভয়ার্ত এবং আতঙ্কিত, এবং যারা অলরেডি প্রয়াত হয়েছে এই কোভিড-19 জন্য, তাদের জন্য আমরা মর্মাহত। তো সেই উপলক্ষে আমরা আজকে প্রথমে 1 মিনিট নীরবতা পালন করব।